Wait. What's up to Dhananjay Vlogs? And we are going to play the 90 minutes in the forest for 50 days to survive.
I
This
think
is.
come.
Okay.
Five people party. Exit. Exit.
We need more.
Please.
We need more.
No 16. Those people who had less days, they waste our materials.
Come on. Done.
Someone has joined 70 days. 70 days.
Yeah, the blue wings man. And the Dhananjay is my best friend and he have only 19 subscribers. So I think he got 1 lakh subscribers.
Bro, thank you for telling them, but the joke is we got now 20 subscribers.
You have total 20 subscribers.
Yes, we upgraded. Thank you, everyone.
I also subscribed to subscribe.
I
Subscribe
know
to my
this
friend's
man
channel.
has subscribed me from like 15 accounts, but he has subscribed me for 4 accounts. We will try to do a speed run with my mother. I have uploaded some videos of 99 nights with my mother. I got a bunny food. Now let's hunt wolves. Bro, there are logs. There are logs here. Get.
Bro, wait. I'm coming. But I want to eat.
Bro, I have just killed wolf and now he has dropped some steak. There are more steaks. I am trying to get more things you could imagine. Bro, he just like you could no nothing. Oh, ammonite. I got ammo. Bro, I got a jungle. Bro, there are thousands of bunnies here.
I got the chest.
I also got it. Dude, I got a good sack. Gulu sack.
I also got good sack. Now I can.
Bro, my game is so much lagging. What should I do?
Yeah, I also because my network is low. Because data is long. I can't open my data.
Yes, finally.
If I open my data, my game will lag.
Yes. But you have Wi-Fi, dude.
One wolf will attack you.
No problem, dude. You are my buddy. You are my homie. You know?
I'm not your mother.
Yeah, you. You can't understand English that much. Dude, everyone left. Everyone just left this. Hey, no, I got another chest. I saw another chest. Come.
No, there are three men here. 3 players is available.
2 players have left. Oh no! Don't go. Just scavenge. Don't move. Oh, fuel canister.
You got fuel?
Yeah, fuel canister. Oh, there is another chest. Come here.
No,
Come.
I got revolver.
Yes, we need a spear. Hey, wait, ammonite. One more. Take this chair to our home. See? You could do this to the chair. You doesn't.
No, I got fuel. You the snow biome.
I know. There is gonna be. Dude. Someone.
I got wolf pet.
Dude, I have so much of this thing you can't even imagine. You want a surprise?
No, I don't want to surprise anything.
No, I will give you a surprise. Wait a second, dude.
Don't.
You should get a surprise to support me on this channel. While we are doing some
Dhananjay, you have crap. Dhananjay, you have crap.
no. Hey you, add fuel, add fuel to
That's mine. Upgraded to level 4. Map has expanded.
X.
Dhananjay, we need to upgrade the fire till level 6.
Oh, you are hungry. I could hear you.
Oh, thank you, mother.
But I knew a new glitch that you could have more
I am
followers in a single.
exploring the map. I am exploring what the one will follow me.
Oh, show me. I have a spear.
Whoa! I got iron chest.
Dude, where are you? Just notify me. You know, I got a spear and revolver at once.
I got bandages.
Dude, wait a second. Come to me. I saw a cultist. You could see. Oh yes, finally.
I got leather jacket
Yes.
and some coal. Let's go.
Oh, you could see.
I am starving. Bro, I am hungry.
Take the carrot or eat the raw food. Eat the raw food.
And I want to kill this
Raw.
cultist.
Eat something.
What? Shit.
Eat now. Don't. Hey, you just don't go. You are eating.
Every time.
No. No.
I want to revive him. I can revive him.
No.
We need. Oh shit! He
What happened?
lived.
Hey, I
He
thought
lived.
we got a cave. You should eat something or you would die.
Bro.
Oh.
I can't tell you. This is a sacrifices.
I know this is a
They were doing
sacrifice.
sacrifice.
Hey,
They were
just
doing sacrifice.
this box.
Here.
What the dear are you talking? Dude,
You got one more bandage.
how do you know that I got a one more bandage?
I can see.
But it's like some milliseconds. I picked things in.
No.
No.
I'm starving.
You
I
are
am hungry. I am hungry.
I am.
I want the food. I want food. You need food.
Wait.
Done.
Wait. Hurry up. I have collected some food.
No, I'm coming. I am hungry. You have some food?
Eat something
Oh,
raw.
shit.
Please just eat something
You
raw.
are hungry. I am hungry. Someone save me. I'm hungry. I
Come.
want to eat something.
Eat. Oh, finally. Now I will eat. You could see I have eaten my vegetable.
Why you eat? I am hungry.
You're hungry?
My hunger bar is half. I want more. My hunger bar is half.
Take it. My hunger bar is also half.
Oh.
Dude, I have collected some steak. Oh, thank God you built a sundial. But how did you get some scrap, dude? We have none of them.
I see on crafting bench.
Dude, I am just dying to get some food. And you are on the crafting bench. You should be ashamed.
No, you can't die. I'm.
Dude, I make some food for you and you're running away from me. What a such a disrespect to me.
Dhananjay.
What happened? What happened? Dude,
No, nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Dude, you could see I got some fuel canisters.
Dhananjay,
Tell.
in diamonds I buy the most powerful fire.
Dude, come here. In
He
hurry.
can give me food. He can give me food.
Oh, very
He gave me food.
Thanks,
The
dude.
fire can give food.
Oh, dude, I got a strong flashlight.
You have strong flashlight. That's amazing.
Come to me.
Let's take the first kid.
I am
Hey,
coming.
what-
Hey,
what-
where are you?
what-
Let's attack the kid. Let's kill the kid. Yo,
Okay.
who are you?
Wait. Come here.
I.
Okay. Wait.
You can't.
That's the middle one.
I have
The
two
middle one.
guns.
Oh shit.
Don't shoot.
I want to. I will distract one. Hey. I will distract one. What?
No, they are attacking me. Dude, they are attacking me.
I'm coming.
Don't
One
do that.
One is alive. My rebound.
Dude, I
dropped
died.
it. I dropped
I
it.
died in this quest. And I am gonna die from hunger also.
Dhananjay, help me.
What the heck are you doing this? What happened? Wait. Oh, no. No, dude.
One wolf have attacked me. I wounded. I am.
Just come. We need to save the kid. I got another iron chest. What are you doing? We need some food right now. We need, dude.
I am collecting the food for.
Right now, I am gonna starve.
Wait. We can.
Solve the world hunger now, or I am gonna kill you and eat you on the fish.
Wait, bro. Just wait. I am coming.
Oh,
Store.
this is Thanksgiving, dude.
I'm coming. The missing child has been rescued.
You can't
Days
run.
will now increase by 2.
Dude,
The night is approaching. I'm in front. Everything. I am in front.
you can see. Oh, let's tame.
Eat some. Eat.
I only
We
need
need one more bar.
I am almost full. I am gonna tame someone. Wait.
What? Huh?
What?
They will arrive on day 5. Dhananjay, we need to upgrade. We need to upgrade the crafting bench. We need to upgrade crafting bench.
What happened? I know they are gonna arrive.
We
So,
need 14 wood. We need 14 wood.
oh, no problem. I am Dhananjay. I have
We need
everything.
14 wood.
You just
We need
collect
14
it.
wood.
You collect it. I am gonna chop it and replant everything. You just collect, dude. That's your work. That's your job. I have not hired you. I only gave you 1 Robux to do this job, and
When you give me Robux,
you doesn't got it from Please Donate. I am just lying, dude, right now.
Done. Crafting bench unlocked. We need more tags. We need more. You collect scrap. I will collect the wood.
Wait a second. Let's tame a wolf. I am going.
We need to the stave maker. We need to
Clock pot.
Yes. We need more. We need to plant the crop pot.
Dude,
If the guest will arrive, what we can do?
now guests are arriving. Just come early. You could see.
No,
I
they are arriving.
chopped. Oh,
We have only one day.
No, day 6.
I'm coming.
I collected the wood. I couldn't feel my leg, dude. I couldn't literally feel my leg. We are like grinding for hours. You can't even imagine. You know that first part has been uploaded when you suddenly disconnected.
When?
Oh, last match that I uploaded. Hey
You
you.
uploaded?
Yeah. Dude. Now.
I have more. Dhananjay, you have scrap?
No, I collected the wood.
What? You need to find scrap.
There is.
We need to make crop pot. We don't have much time. We don't have much time.
What? We are gonna make some pickle or what? Hey,
I'm
dude.
collecting.
Dude, there are turkeys. Dude, turkey. I killed the turkey. For no reason, I killed a turkey. I killed an innocent turkey. Iron chest, come to me. I got an iron chest.
You got iron chest, but I don't got iron chest.
You noticed, dude, I got a metal microwave. I am coming.
Metal microwave? How? Oh, shit.
Night is coming or what? You are dying or what? What did you do right now? Firstly, I am starving. Oh no. You just provide me some food.
What, starving?
Yes. And what did you do? That the turkey has appeared in the map. I need food right now, dude. I am starved. Oh, no.
Huh? Eat it. Here is food. Here is.
You could see.
I have many.
Eat it. I ate a turkey leg. That's enough.
Chicken turkey leg?
Yeah, I brought turkey leg.
We need berry and the leg turkey leg.
Coffee. So should I make biofuel processor right now?
What?
Bro. You just kill them. I am making a crop pot right now. Biofuel processor. Sorry. No. I got them. Don't use ammo. Yes. Now I am gonna chop some trees. I got a strong flashlight. Tell what happened.
Where did you saw the turkey?
Turkeys are on the map. You could see.
When the park is there?
Who is this screaming child? Why is he screaming right now?
I'm find turkey.
Best good luck.
Dhananjay help.
What happened? Who is acting like a dog right now? Strong flashlight. You could see this is so strong. Dears, I heard. Where is the crop pot, dude? Oh. You doesn't make any time.
Dhananjay, where did you saw I got it.
Just,
Turkey.
just
I
kill
want,
them.
I want only one. I want only one.
Dude, kill
I'm
both of
killing
them.
the
They are
turkey.
useless.
Turkey,
Doesn't care of them.
Turkey.
Dude, you are treating it like a food. Element roll and you will kill it in 15 seconds. Oh,
Got it.
turkey leg.
Let's go.
Turkey leg. Turkey leg. You know turkey leg?
What
This
the?
map is cursed. There is
One wolf have attacked me.
not my problem. Whoa, Alpha. Someone is an Alpha. Super wolf. I got the Alpha wolf. You know there is another. This game is so cursed. There are only silver chests.
You are right.
This game is so cursed. You can imagine there is a dog. Silver came here. I want to show you something. Come. Here, come.
Wait, I am cooking.
What are you cooking right now?
I am just cooking for a pet trader.
It's the cursed game ever I have saw. You know, I saw another.
No.
I am gonna cry because of this game right now.
Dhananjay, we need sweet potato there. We need sweet potato.
Why? Who does this game is
We need sweet potato.
Hello.
One sweet potato.
This game is a hell of a curse.
Game is cursed, bro. What we can do?
Iron chest. We are playing for 22 minutes. There was only iron chest and bandages. What the? Dude, help me! There are two wolves on me. 2 ones.
Glucon-D, come on. Just don't do it. Don't do anything. I am cooking.
Oh, sorry, I mistakenly got a bazooka. This is just a useless kid. We should eat him.
No, sweet potato. The owl has woken up.
Why you aren't making food for us?
Berry juice. Okay.
You can't imagine
We
this
need
game is
more and carrot. We need cake, more and carrot.
Yeah,
Carrot.
I got carrot and cakes, both of them.
Dhananjay.
Tell.
No.
See,
Dhananjay, we don't.
what?
Dhananjay.
What?
Come here. See, steak, more and carrot.
Take mozzarella and carrot.
I am going to kill wolf.
Wait, I'm gonna kill them. Who are them? You can't gonna kill them. You aren't. If you kill a wolf, I saw that. I am gonna just break everything.
Dun.
Bundle. The usual bundle.
I'm coming to fire.
Why your brother is screaming right now?
No, I am not sleeping
Dude,
now.
wait a second. There are white and 2 carrots.
Please get out that carrot.
You know we need a mammoth tusk for this. Mammoth tusk. शंकर सुमन की नंद तेरे पता जगवंदन विद्या
Okay, I got it. I got everything to. I got everything to eat.
You finish
I have
food.
everything to eat.
Wait, you need a carrot. You added the carrot. It made stew, not
Yes,
food.
bro. Yeah.
What the heck are you talking about? Yes,
Yes,
add it.
ready.
Add it. Snake, you
Now
doesn't.
what? Corn and sweet potato. Naranja, you have plant, no? I am bringing the sweet potato.
Okay, there are two corns. Yes, in our farm there are two corns. Now where is the sweet potato? Still, let's just cut some. Let's just do some deforestation. Now he is literally screaming.
Dhananjay, my hunger bar is half is low.
No problem.
I want to eat something. I want to eat something.
Now he is definitely screaming.
Then it's ready.
You doesn't have anything to eat? Do you made it?
I got it. I got it. Boom. Turkey leg. I am collecting turkey leg.
Okay. Yes. I forgot. Hey, let's make another plot. What do we need now?
Dhananjay, you can come to help me.
Yes.
Many wolves are there. Yes.
Okay. Dude, lights are gonna be turned off. We need to do this, hurry. I have a strong flashlight, but I don't trust myself. No, do.
I want to kill many turkeys. Okay, got it. Let's go.
There are two more. How much do we need now?
Dhananjay, night time.
I don't care.
Dhananjay, you don't know the owl has woken up. When the owl will see you, don't
Owl
move.
is behind me. Don't be scared. Owl is trying to kill me. You can't imagine. I have 5 bandages. We could survive 110,000 days without of my. Oh no.
Oh, the roasted turkey, the chicken kebab.
You are keeping everything. Oh no, I saw this sniffing. I know where these two go get. There,
Dhananjay.
then, there are in the.
Dhananjay, you know what is stuffing? You know what is stuffing?
Yes, when turkeys die, there is a 1 in 3 chance to get it. I saw two of them.
Let's go. Let's get it.
I literally got where I saw two of them.
Now we are here. Now it is.
No.
Oh, I see. Ah.
Don't I have a strong flashlight. Don't be scared of this little rat. You are scared of
The
this
owl has gone.
Dude, what is wrong?
I got only one.
There are two. I saw this in. Wait. We need more, no? They are coming to one. No. There is one more. We need one more. Yes, we got it. Just take some food or I will starve. Dude. Just give me one more food. I need food, dude. I am starving.
What?
Start.
Wait. I'm
Die.
collecting. I'm collecting.
You add one. You have add one or not?
No, I don't have. I am getting some sweet potatoes.
Dude, just add. They are arriving in one day. You just add it. You just come and add it. They are arriving in one day. Dude, hurry up. Don't care about me. We have 5 bandages.
Let's go. You can. Your mission is go and get the stuffing.
I got 2 of them. I got 2. Add one. Add one more. Hurry, add one. See, if you have, drop it, add.
Yes, I drop it.
It should be right or it will be wrong. We need to do this again. And everything will be messed up. Now,
Now what?
chili and stuffing. We doesn't have chili.
Yeah, you get the stuffing. I will get the chili.
We doesn't have chili in this map. We doesn't buy. We doesn't bought the chili. What is this? No. Tang. My favorite weapon is spear. My battery is 1%
bro.
low.
Bro, I have come to another location.
Why is no so
No, I got iron chest.
what?
Yo, diamond.
Imagine there is no turkey in here. I am killing turkey tremendously. Yo. Bro, hurry up. I got sleeping. I got it. Just hurry. Bro,
Dhananjay, help me. I'm starving.
hurry up. Eat berries. Eat raw food.
I don't have time. I'm hungry.
Oh no. Turkey leg. Oh shit. What is going
I need it.
to eat it and everything. What
Eat. Finally.
Dude, what is wrong? I tried to drag them. They literally got one day. Now there is no hope.
Dhananjay, you have chili? You
No.
have chili?
We doesn't have chilies in this map. We doesn't spawn them.
We don't have chili. Then how can we cook?
We messed up. Hey, you, let's do the stronghold. Bro, who is summoned?
Yes, it's gone. It's gone.
Why he's gone? When 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. We finally messed up. Thanksgiving dinner is tonight. Oh no. Rain has starting. Rain and thunder. We doesn't have food, but blender.
Dhananjay, we don't have time. We don't have time.
We were so busy on this Thanksgiving food, we doesn't remember about anything. No. I can't let you die. Just come here.
We need chili.
This we doesn't planted chili, no? So chili isn't gonna come here to meet us.
You find chili.
They are like blueberries. They spawn like blueberries. Dude, I am
You
gonna
find
activate hard
me.
mode.
I will find what is stuffing like what?
Snuffing. Snuffing.
Yes, yes, whatever it is.
Just kill the turkey, dude. Just kill the turkey. Might until test. Dude, I am staying here. Kakashi. Hey, you, Kakashi, come here.
Medikit. I got medikit.
Dude, I got medikit and 4 bandages. I doesn't have a choice to eat raw food. Can you give me some food, dude, please? I doesn't have anything to eat. Oh,
Eh?
yes. Dude, just
There is no sweet potato is there.
no. Bro, you could just come here. Where am I? We need to activate hard mode to get some gems. You know, to get some gems. Yes. Taste. Yeah, bro,
Yeah, yeah,
just
bro,
come to
I
me. Come to me,
know.
just come to me. Come to me.
Share your location.
See,
I'm coming. I'm coming.
inside 33 seconds. And bring some food. Bring some food
You
with
have
you.
food? You have food?
No.
I have food. I'm getting some food for you. I'm getting some food for you.
We have to.
Where are you?
Yes. Here. Here am I. Here am I. How do you do?
Where is your food? Here's your food.
We have to now activate the hard mode, okay? At any cost, come in, come in.
You just
Let's
eat your potato. You just eat your potato.
sweet, sweet. Oh yes, it's sweet like you. This.
Dhananjay, let's go. Let's go out to our base.
Wait,
Let's
wait,
go to our base.
don't. We need to start the hard mode right now. Night test until we need this. How to make sure cup is full. Yo. Sorry, we need to go. You are right. You were right, dude. Sorry for underestimating you.
Where are you?
I am coming. What happened? You don't go. I saw you. You just come behind me. I am just running.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
You know there today is a cultist attack. Means we have to give the food plus survive the attack. If everyone take picture. Dude, can you just please kill them? I need to. Dude. Just please don't die.
Hey! Ah! Dhananjay, you just reflect it that year.
Okay, I am
You
gonna
just
sabotage
reflect
you.
it. Dhananjay,
Sabotage.
come to base. Come to base. Come to base.
Okay. But I have no HP.
Dhananjay, I don't have any ammo. My ammo is finished.
I have so many things. Just attack him. Attack him with your spear. Spear attack.
Give me.
Come. Take this spear right now. Attack him. Attack. No. This I need to take matters in my own hand. That was my last ammo. Wow. Dude, they are attacking me. They are attacking me. Just help me, please.
Dhananjay, get this bandage.
You For yourself, see, I have this. I don't want to waste it. You just go and attack them. Attack them. I have so many of them. Just you attack them.
Where? I want to submit. I want to eat something.
Came to the party.
The Cutlass King has attacked me. What to do now? Kill it, kill it.
Yes.
Now we can eat. We can eat. The computer almost down. Down. Oh shit. We need bodies.
You just don't care about it. Take. Thank God.
Then
we got
get
this.
some food.
Yes, just eat those carrots. Oh, make stew, dude. Make some stew, no. Oh, no. I made some
Bomb.
I made
Collect food.
biofuel processor for nothing. What is this going on right now? Just made it a biofuel.
Okay.
I got a scythe. I am going for hunting today.
We need more.
Dude. See. This is a Henry Thanksgiving food. This is food. You get one. Hurry. This is food. Dude, what are you doing? See, you could see this is a food. It's food. See.
Give me. Bro, run! Bro, you just distracted. I will get some food. Oh shit.
I died. It's food, no. Use bandages.
Okay,
Hello, friend.
finally. It's time.
Revive me.
It's time.
Please, revive me. I have bandages.
Wait. I need some food. Okay. Now I can eat some food.
Dude, just revive me.
Wait, bro. I have medikit. I'll take. Okay. Let's
Do this.
do.
This was a very close call, dude.
Dhananjay, we have only 2 minutes. Get some food. What the? Dhananjay, this let's have custom items.
I know.
Dhananjay, you have armor? Take this. Now
You
look
aren't
it.
any
Wow.
good
Wow, I got scythe.
thing. You got the site? Okay, wait. Keep it up. Oh no. We have to. What we
Dhananjay,
tell?
you get it. You get some food. You
Okay.
get some food.
Kan. 99% of people are like not watching this video. I know.
The fire has gone out.
Oh no. We need to do this again. Oh,
No,
oh,
Dhananjay.
wait. What are you
We
telling?
can do this. We can do this.
How much
We
days?
can do this. Day
And
24.
add it into the biofuel processor right now.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I am not your sir. I am your best friend.
Anything.
You see?
Okay. Okay. I'm getting some wood. I'm getting some wood.
This is the use of our brain.
Wait, wait.
I am here to protect you, your best friend.
Get it, get it, get it. Fire one, fire one, fire one. Yes.
Bro, you could also use carrot as a biofuel.
Yes, I want it, but I should go out here.
Bro, you just come here. You don't
And the deer has come in.
dude. That
There
deer
is,
is
I'm coming,
killing
coming,
me.
I'm coming. I have tied too.
Dude, run. Just run from me. Sec me. The wolf is gonna kill us. Now kill the wolf. Now stay here for entire night. And just please don't die. And don't go away from me. I always die when you go away from me.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And please, can you just
Deer has
put
gone. Deer has
one
gone.
more bandage? You just give me some bandages, bro, please. I have no bandages. I died because of no bandages.
You don't have bandages?
No,
Wait, I will revive you. I will revive you.
thank you. This is okay to
Welcome.
me.
Let's collect the wood. Let's collect the wood. Collect the
Yo.
wood. Collect the wood.
Yo.
Shit, Dhananjay, one more army is going to arrive.
Oh no, hell no, bro. What the
We
hell?
need to collect fast. We need to collect fast. We need to collect fast.